Grandma Edith's Ice Cream, Take 3. Hi, my name is Ron. I'm with Stick Jacket Fishing Rod Covers. I'm here today to show you how to make my Great Grandma Edith's ice cream. So our ingredients today are eggs, Knox Gelatin, milk, some vanilla, sugar, and heavy cream. Also a pinch of salt. First thing we're going to do is get the milk up to temperature about 150 degrees. Then we're going to go ahead and add our sugar and get things going. And then we're going to put it all together. 6 cups of milk. Okay, that's it. The milk is up to 150 degrees. Now we're going to go ahead and add our sugar. While we're waiting for the milk to get back up to temperature, we're going to go ahead and get our Knox Gelatin ready. So just 3 packages of Knox Gelatin. Put it in a bowl. And we're going to go ahead and let that dissolve in some of the milk. Take a little bit out of the pan. All right, we're back up to 150 degrees. So now we're going to start doing something with our eggs. I believe this is called tempering your eggs. You don't want to put this egg into hot milk. It's going to scramble them. So you want to add a little bit of hot liquid. Okay, before we were rudely interrupted, we were about to temper the eggs. Bowl is warm to the touch. Should be good to go. We're going to add it back to our milk. Our Knox Gelatin is set up due to the interruption. Don't let it sit as long as I did. We'll strain the lumps out. Okay, that's pretty much it for the cooking. You may have thought I forgot the cream and the vanilla. I did, but it's not too late. The milk is cooled down, and we can go ahead and add it now at this point. This is 5 cups. 3 tablespoons of vanilla. Make it a good vanilla, okay? I made this with Everclear and vanilla beans for Christmas a few years ago. Okay, that completes the mix. Now we're ready to put it in the ice cream maker. It's got a name, I don't know what it is. Put it on the top. Now we're ready for the wood bucket and the ice. Key to making this work is ice cream salt, also rock salt, and ice. Crush it up. Get crushed ice if you can. Bigger cubes have a tendency of locking the ice cream machine up. Our ice cream maker is having a tough time now. It stops. I start it back up. It'll go for a while. It'll stop. I'll start it back up. It'll go for a while. So it's almost done. I think that's it. Boy, does that look yummy. I gotta try it. Got out of the way over here. I keep getting better at this every time. Great Grandma Edith's Vanilla Custard Ice Cream. This is gorgeous stuff. Hope you can see it up there. It's good. As a kid, we used to lick this one. This is what mom and dad and uncles and aunts and everybody, it's just like licking the blender, or the blades on the blender. Or is it the mixer? I don't know. Cake batter, all that good stuff. Feeling good and frozen on the bottom. In fact, this can is pretty chilly to hold. So that's Grandma Edith's homemade ice cream. My mom's grandma, and she lived in Lewiston, Illinois. Her name was maiden name was Edith Brown. She married my great grandfather George Ford in Lewiston, Illinois. So this is her recipe. Maybe have tweaked it a little bit, added a little bit more cream than milk, but it's delicious. I'm going to have a little sample right now. Hope you enjoyed this video. There is nothing better than catching a 10-pound bass than maybe having my great grandma's ice cream. I'm sure I'll have the recipe around here somewhere, so I'll share it with you. Hope you try it.